It's been raining today and there are hailstones as well. So make dal vadas and enjoy this at home with a cup of tea, which is perfect on this day. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious tea time snack recipe that's called chana dal vadas. And these chana dal vadas are simple to make, and let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are a cup of chana dal that I soaked in water for about 4 to 5 hours, or you can also soak it overnight. And this is hing or asafoetida, some red chili powder, some salt to taste, curry leaves chopped, some ginger that's grated, some cilantro, green chilies chopped, onions chopped, and cumin seeds. Now this chana dal that I soaked in water for about 4 to 5 hours, and after that I've removed all the water, just made this into a paste. This is a coarsely ground chana dal paste. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is take this bowl and add this coarsely ground chana dal. After adding the chana dal, I'm going to add the onions, green chilies, cilantro, ginger, curry leaves, and now I'm going to add the cumin seeds, salt to taste, red chili powder, and hing or asafoetida. Now I'm going to mix everything together.
Round and round we go, losing self-control.
Now this is the chana dal mixture that I made with the interesting ingredients, and I've greased my hands a little, and now I'm going to make some circles. Just flatten it a little and place it on our plate like this. I'm going to show you one more. And you can see it's super easy and a very quick tea time snack, or if you have people visiting over, you can make quick vadas like these.
Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun.
So here are the vadas that I have made. Now I'm going to deep fry these. Our oil has been heating and we're going to fry these vadas on medium to high flame. And we're going to fry these till they're golden brown. Looks like our vadas are fried and they look so crispy and delicious. And I'm just going to take it out on a paper towel to remove the excess oil. And you can see they're so crunchy and delicious. And I'm going to fry a few more now. And our vadas are ready, and I'm going to just serve it now. Our delicious and crunchy tea time snack, that is the chana dal vadas, are now ready, and it's so delicious. Do try this at home and share your comments with me on Payal's Recipe, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and for more videos tune in. Till next time, thanks for watching. Bye bye.